today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up in Elementor free. Elementor is a fantastic tool that allows you to design and customize your website with ease and flair. Creating pop-ups can be a great way to capture attention, gather email subscriptions, or offer a special promotion. While the Pro version of Elementor offers a built-in pop-up feature, I'm happy to show you how to achieve this using the free version with just a little bit of creativity and some extra effort. First, let's begin by opening up your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor if you haven't installed it yet, and hit Install Now, followed by Activate. If Elementor is already installed, make sure it's up to date by checking for any available updates in the plugin list. Once Elementor is ready, head over to the Pages section of your dashboard. Click Add New, and from there, you can enter a title for your page where the pop-up will be featured. This could be a landing page or any page where you'd like the pop-up to appear. Click Edit with Elementor to start customizing the page using the Elementor interface. With your page open in Elementor, create a new section or choose an existing one to host your pop-up trigger. Consider using a button as a trigger for the pop-up for this demonstration. Drag and drop a button widget onto your selected section. This will be the element your visitors will click to open the pop-up. Now, it's time to create the pop-up. Sadly, Elementor Free doesn't have a built-in pop-up feature, but there's a clever workaround. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and go to Add New under Pages. Name this page something like Pop-up Content so you can easily identify it later. Again, click Edit with Elementor to start designing the contents of your pop-up. In this new page, you can add any element you want to appear in your pop-up. You might include text, images, or even a form, depending on your goals. Once you're satisfied with the design of this standalone pop-up page, click Publish. Keep the design simple yet engaging because you want your pop-up to be eye-catching without being overwhelming. Back on your main page, where you've placed the button, click on the Button Settings tab. In the link field, enter the URL to the pop-up content page you've just created. Use a hash mark to open it in a new tab or window, like this, Pop-up Content. Finally, it's time to save and preview your page. Ensure the button behaves as expected and redirects to the pop-up content page. Congratulations! You've just created a workaround pop-up using Elementor Free. By practicing these steps, you'll be able to utilize pop-ups effectively without investing in the Pro version of Elementor. Remember, the simplicity in design and strategic placement can turn casual visitors into engaged prospects.